Kasama natin ngayong gabi. She is a cancer survivor for more than 20 years. We have here with us Mrs. Maritoni Fernandez Dairit. Oh,
Hi, Tony.
may Dairit na. Hello.
Oo, meron na finally, no?
Yeah.
Grabe.
Kasi 2001, you were diagnosed with?
Breast cancer. 2A. Yung good cells
Wala yung buhok mo?
Completely bald. Yeah, walang-wala. As in, gone. As in, one day, nagising ako pag ganyan ko sa hair ko, pag ganyan ko.
Tanggal lahat?
Nandito lahat.
Nagpanik ka?
Oo, syempre, kinilabutan. And then, you know, friends would come to me asking me, paano ka nagpagaling? Ganyan. Bukod sa ano, di ba, I would drink supplements while, may na-discover kasi akong supplement while I was undergoing chemo that cut my recovery in 70% faster ako nag-recover.
Paano mo na-discover?
Research.
Yan yung barley?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Usong-uso yan ngayon.
Ako nagdala niya dito.
Talaga?
Yeah.
So, ikaw ang nagdala ng barley sa Philippines.
Yes.
You discovered it while you were going through your chemo. And the reason why you can talk about the barley is because
It
it's
worked
from
on me.
your own experience.